Greetings, Dennis here. It's Saturday, and that means it's time for another Super Saturday Breakbeat. This week's Breakbeat comes from Come In Out of the Rain by Parliament, and the original drummer was either Ramon Fullwood or Tyrone Lampkin. This beat was sampled for Company Flow's Info Kill 2. Let's check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. I want to let you know that my album, Fantasy Boyfriend, is available now. To receive your copy, visit my website at ilovetribalfunk.com. Have an awesome day.